In this video, I have demonstrated how to view the daily sales report in ERP. First, navigate to the selling module and open the daily sales report from the report section. Then, select the company from date and to date filters. Once these filters are applied, the report is generated automatically. The report displays important details such as sales order date, salesperson ID, invoice date, invoice number, customer, company type, net total, grand total, and status, allowing you to easily review and analyze daily sales transactions. This concludes the demonstration of the daily sales report.